For teachers, the safety of their pupils is paramount. But now today, in an exclusive survey for ITV News, we hear head teachers from across England and Wales tell us they can't protect all their vulnerable children. Children dealing with grooming, neglect, violence, sexual and criminal exploitation.
So school leaders across the country are telling me that it's becoming more and more difficult to access the services that they need. Interventions coming at crisis point rather than an intervention where we can stop the problems really becoming very deep.
In our survey with the National Association of Headteachers, a massive 92% of schools say thresholds for intervention are too high. 87% have found they have to refer the same child more than once, and 86% said they had to chase social care for a response. This head teacher describes what he's seen with some of the pupils in his area.
I don't want to vilify individual social workers. I think we've got a problem here that is far wider than individual people. We've got cases of children, pitching up in Brighton, in London, in Chatham, in Gravesend, with various older men. So we've got that happening, and that's being organised by gangs. Children tell us about the fact that there's crack being sold at these houses, that there's heroin there, that this person's a heroin addict, and it's not one child; it's multiple children.
Mr. Tate's school is described as outstanding for protecting children. He has a dedicated member of staff dealing with children at risk of exploitation, Kendra Houseman. But even so, she says the school needs help.
It is about money, of course it is about resources. It's still a huge number of children that are being exploited. Can we reach every single child? No. Well, let's address that. Why can't we?
In response to this, Kent County Council told us they're now working closely with schools to identify children at risk. They're following a new model developed by this academic to identify children abused in the community as much as in the home.
Historically, we've created a child protection system that was designed to protect children from abuse within their families. And while there have been failings over time within those systems, in general that system works well. We know what to do. We don't know what to do when the risk isn't presented by parents. I can do as much as I can to parent my child, and I can't protect them from being groomed on the bus. I can't protect them from being sexually harassed at school. I can't protect them by being threatened when they're standing outside a shop eating with their friends or using free Wi-Fi. This requires a community response.
The government told us tonight it's established a national unit to help local authorities deal with new risks to children. It's also recently strengthened the safeguarding guidance to make clear what is expected of these local agencies. But the message from schools is now clear. Children that need help aren't getting it. Allegra Stratton, News at 10.